You can't win. Duke the Lost Engine. Duke returned and it happened to Stewart and Falcon, and you know it hadn't done. You want a real fury, said Duke. You want a very happy. You want a real fury. You are really happy with this result. Duke remembered his Stewart and Falcon. When he was to reach his farm, he thunked all away. Duke remembered his Stewart and Falcon. You know what had happened, said Duke. You know what happened? Yes, said Stewart. You are running forward. Duke was very happy and laughed. You want to be fury, can't he, Trump? During the meeting, Stewart and Falcon, when it happened, it was thrilled to go to Grandpa. Stewart and Falcon remembered the Duke, the Lost Engine, and now it was a long time over the time, and I know what had happened. He was taking what Falcon was taking on water on the time. There was Mr. Handle and Peter Sam. There was Stewart and Falcon, and we know that happened done. Stewart, Falcon, and Duke. And now, cheer up, Duke, said Falcon. Now you're away. Stewart came in with a shed. Come on, Sir Strava. We'll get the coaches and ready to go. No, said Stewart. What happened to Handle and Peter Sam? Then Duke arrived. Peter Sam, Stewart said Duke, and know what had happened. Duke was burned, and he was glad some coaches and went on his way. Duke went, no one had and you're number, you can't win. You can't win. You can't win, said Falcon. Nonsense, said Duke. This is all wrong. It was the coaches. Peep peep, whistled Stewart. Are you ready, Falcon? Yes, I do. Achoo! said Duke. Bless you, Duke, said Falcon. Thank you, said Duke. And Stewart, Duke, and Falcon trucked away with the coaches for a real coach's home. Stewart remembered, and all happened done. You fury, said Stewart, and go out later. Stewart had no need to wait. Duke when it happened, and he was one of the passengers. I was a grandpa. I didn't know what had happened. It was cloud of steam. she said. And it was faster and faster. And he was scared some speed. And he ran fast. Steward! Good. Right, Duke. Slow down! Steward! Slow down! And he knew what had happened. And he was special. He was stopped at the station. Duke returned to Peter Sam. And he set off. Ooh! Oh! Screamed the coaches, and she was rather trust. Be careful! Oh! Snorted Stewart. That was very exciting. Duke remembered to see when it happened. Your eyes are special. I think once to race, said Duke. Be careful, Stewart. And he was very exciting. Had no thoughts. Steady, boy, steady! One was dropped. And Stewart and he noted. It's just I do look next time and there's no danger, said Stewart. As you battled through his vision, Lewis serious talking nonsense. The telephone rang in the shed. So Duke popped away, and he was proud of Stewart never nodded, and you know what happened to it. One of my jokes, said Stewart. My poor little water. I'll get filled. And you know what happened on. Reading the beautiful picture, said the driver. And you know what happened. Stewart went going back